Zen Shiatsu is a holistic bodywork routine rooted in traditional Japanese healing, designed to restore balance between body and mind. This routine uses gentle, rhythmic finger and palm pressure along the body's meridian lines to release tension and improve energy flow. Performed on a floor mat with comfortable clothing, Zen Shiatsu focuses on mindful touch, breathing, and presence rather than force. Each movement is slow and intentional, helping to calm the nervous system while easing muscle stiffness, joint tightness, and emotional stress. The routine adapts naturally to individual needs, making it suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Regular Zen Shiatsu sessions can improve posture, enhance circulation, reduce fatigue, and support better sleep quality. Beyond physical relief, it promotes deep relaxation and inner awareness, allowing the body's natural healing ability to awaken. Ideal for stress relief, recovery, or preventive self-care, the Zen Shiatsu routine offers a peaceful therapeutic experience that nurtures harmony, balance, and overall well-being from the inside out.